Then we have direct distance entry. The fourth method is using direct distance entry. Let's use this line button. Our first point is 100, 80. This is absolute again. Okay, using direct distance entry, ang ipapasok mo ngayon sa command line ay yung distance. So, pag ganito, let's say 30. Okay, enter. Then, sinusundan niya ngayon yung mouse. And then, pababa, gamitin natin 30. Tapos, pag ganito, let's say 50. Pataas, 20. Then, close. Kahit saan mo dalhin yung mouse, pero pag close ang kinumand mo, magko-connect siya sa first point. Okay. Accurate pa yung ating figure? No. So, delete natin yan. This time, we will use ortho mode. Okay? So, ang shortcut for ortho mode is F8 or you just click this button. Okay, so line. Our first point is 100, 80. Yan, naka-ortho mode. Ibig sabihin, vertical tsaka horizontal lang ang kanyang pupuntahan. So, pag ganito, that is 30 units. And then, pababa, 50. Oh, you just press Ctrl Z. So, that is undo. So, pababa ulit, that is 30. And then, 50. Pataas, 20. Then close. Ganyan. Let's continue. Pagilid lang natin ang ating drawing area. Again, we do the line command. So, this time, we will use P-line. Ito ang kanyang button sa P-line. This one. Okay, so polyline or P-line. So, let's type here PL. PL is short for polyline. Okay, sundan natin. Sample. So, that is 50. Then, 20 pataas. Then, at, let's say, 20. Ilan na ba yan? 135. Then, pag ganito, let's say, 40. Then, close. Okay. Now, let's see the difference. Yung dinrawing natin kanina using command line, using the line command, ang selection, sinelect natin to, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 individual elements or 5 different objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Samantalang, kapag ginamit mo P-line, it is now a single object. So, that means you don't need to click all 5 lines. So, that's the difference between polyline and line. Okay? So, let's draw a rectangle using polyline. Okay. Kailangan naka-ortho mode ka. So, that is 40. Pataas tayo ng 30. Horizontal ng 40. Then, close. Next, another polyline. Gagawa tayo ngayon ng arrow. So, type PL. Let's say this is our first point. Okay, so gagamit tayo ng width. So, ayun. Meron tayong mga options dito. Arc, half width, length, undo, then width. So, let's type here width. Tatanungin niya ngayon ang starting width. So, the default there is 0. This time, gamit tayo ng 10. And then, ang ending with mo is, tatanungin ulit niya ay, sabihin natin 10. And see what happens. Okay? So, yung starting with ay 10, ang ending with ay 10. Okay, let's do another line, P-line. This time with starting point. Ayan, ang kanyang starting with ay, let's say, 30. Tapos, ang ending with niya ay 10. See what happens. Yan, see? Yan ang ending with. So, pwede kang magpalit ng ortho mode even if you have a current command. Okay? Then, escape. Next, another P-line. So, PL with, our starting with is, okay, with again. Starting with 10, ending with 10. Tapos, ortho mode tayo at a distance of 30 horizontal. This time, tatanungin niya arc close half width. Ang type natin ay arc. And then, at 20, negative 20. Yan. So, yan ang arc. And then, ang starting with natin, let's say 20. Tapos ending with 0. Tapos yan. This time, ano ang ating gagawin? Okay, instead na arc, gagamitin natin ay line. So you type here L. See? Yan. Tapos mag-ortho mode tayo ng distance or at 20, angle 270 degrees. Then enter. So that's how you make a polyline. Next on linears is multiline. Okay, wala dito ang multiline. So let's just type here ML. ML is short for multiline. O kaya naman M-line. Okay? Ngayon, tatanungin niya, meron siyang options dito. You have justification, scale, and style. Yung justification, yan yung kanyang starting, location ng starting point. Pwedeng 0, top, or bottom. Yung scale naman, yan yung distance between the two parallel lines. Okay? Okay. So, let's say scale. Ngayon, useful ang multiline kapag gumagawa ka ng walls. So, let's say 10. Dito ang ating first line. Okay. So, naka-ortho mode tayo. Pwede mo ring i-turn off yung ortho. So, pag ganito, let's say 60. Then, pataas ng 40. Pag ganito ng 60. And then, close. Yan ang multiline. Take note na, pag pinili mo si multiline, yan ay parang polyline. Single object siya. Okay? So, pwede ka pa rin mag-drawing ng multiline kahit naka-off ang iyong ortho. Then, close. Still, that is like a polyline. Okay, let's do again polyline or ML. And let's change our scale to 20. Okay. Tapos, 60. Pataas ng 40. Then 60, close. So yung scale, that is simply the distance between the two lines. Next, let's try again ML, but this time let's use or change the justification. So, i-type J. Ang choices mo ngayon, you have top, 0, and bottom. Okay, gamitin natin si top. See what happens. Yan, see? Ganyan ang top. So, nag-start tayo dito. Yung line, nandun siya sa taas. Okay, another ML. This time, our justification is bottom. See what happens. Yan, see? Doon siya, yung crosshair nakakonect sa baba ng multi-line. So, ganyan lang yun. Escape. Next, another command on linears is XL. XL, it creates infinite lines which are commonly used as construction lines. So, you type here XL. Okay? So, turn on natin si ortho. Yan. See? So, gumagawa siya ng infinite line. Magagamit mo to as reference line. Okay? So, parang grid lines yan. And then, i-click mo yung other point. Tapos, pwede ka rin mag-click dyan sa taas. Habang naka-XL ka, you can turn off your ortho mode. See? Then, escape. Hindi ko ginagamit itong XL kasi madumi yan. Okay, another XL. So, let's type XL. This time, we choose H. Okay, so H. See what happens. Click, 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 click. So that is XL. Let's try, this time let's try V. Okay, V naman ngayon. So, i-type V. See what happens. Lahat yan panay vertical cross line. Kung gusto mo mag-create ng cross line at equal this spacing, okay, ortho mode, tapos hindi ako nag-type ng V. Escape. Okay, XL. Then let's type V at equal spacing. So ayan, let's say 20, then 30, tapos 40, 50, 60. See? Yan ang kanyang spacing. Ito yung 20, 30, 40, 50, and then 60. You can also do that in vertical direction. So XL tapos V. XL and then H. So 10, 20, 30, mataas, 40, and then 50, tapos finally you have 60. Okay, so similar. Another command for subcommand for XL, you have angle, bisect, and offset. Pero hindi ko na tuturo yan. You can discover that on your own. Besides, I'm not using those. Okay, so that's all for linears. Our next lesson is on curves. First, let us do circle. The button for circle is this one. Then, short for circle is C. So, you type C and then press enter. Ang unang i-specify mo doon yung center ng point. So, click tayo dyan. Tapos, pwede mong ipasok yung radius. So, habang minumove mo yung mouse, lumalabas din yung circle. So, let's try 50. So, dapat ang diameter niyan pagkatapos is 100. Okay, so zoom in lang natin. Yan. Let's type another circle. See? This time, ipasok natin yung, click natin dyan. Diameter naman ng circle. So type diameter, and then let's say 100 or 80. The diameter is 80. See what happens. Now let's double click the first circle. Yan. So radius is 50. Yung isang circle naman, double click mo, the diameter is 80. Okay? Diameter ng first obviously is 100. So that's how you draw a circle using radius and diameter. Next, mag-type naman tayo ng lagay tayo dito ng polygons. Mamaya-maya. Then close. Let's type another circle. So this is for demonstration purposes. This time, ang pipiliin nating option, huwag ka muna mag-click-click. First option kanina is center. This time, let's type here 3P. Okay? So, yan. Let's take this as first point, second point, and then finally, the third point. So that's 1. Let's try another circle using 3P. 3P. First point, second point, and then third point. Yan, ang purpose ng 3P. Next, another circle. This time, let's use 2P. So that is 2 points. Let's say we have a line. Okay? Circle, then 2P. Click mo dyan. Click mo dun. Second point. Actually, yung 2 points na yan yung diameter. Now, let's do another circle. But this time, we will use tangent, tangent, and then radius. So, circle. Then, you type here T. Okay? So, first circle, dito. Kahit saan dyan, dahil yung gagawin nating circle ay nakadikit. Tangent means nakadikit. So, anywhere on the circle. Then, let's try this one. Then, specify the radius. Let's say 110. Yan. See? Nakadikit lang dun. Another tangent, tangent, radius. Circle. Then, T. Our first circle, this time, still this one. Second circle, dito. Then, radius, let's say 130. Yan. See the difference? That is T tangent. Another on curves, pagilid lang natin yan, is the donut command. Wala yung donut dito, kaya let's type here D-O-N-U-T, donut. Specify inside diameter. Let's say the inside diameter is 100. Then the outside diameter, let's say 120. Then tatanungin niya ngayon yung center. Okay? Next, palitan naman natin yung fill. Okay? Yung donut, meron siyang fill. But let's change the fill into solid fill. You just type fill, and then you type there on. And then DO. DO is shortcut for donut. Okay, so same diameter, 100. And then outside diameter 120. Then ayan. Okay, now escape. So we have donut with fill and donut with no fill. Next command on curves is spline. Spline is a smooth curve to a sequence of points with a specified tolerance. So the command here is spline. Okay, so you just click your first point, second point, third point, so forth and so on. Pwede mo ring i-close yan. Yan, see?